Debbie with Kip's Corner. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Well, I am very, very excited to say that I did reach my goal of 3,000 subscribers earlier this week, and so it's time to pick a winner of the three. I have three mixed media projects that I did a couple videos back, and so I'm going to do give away all three of them, one for each of my 1,000. So that's kind of how I came up with that. But before I do, I just want to say a huge, huge thank you. This community is so full of love and support, and it's so heartwarming. And there are so many people who have helped me, helped my channel along. I never started this channel to be, because I was going to be a YouTube star. That's far from it. But I do have goals in mind. I have, little goals. The first one was to hit 1,000. And so the second biggest goal I had was to hit 3,000. And so this is kind of a big deal for me personally. And I just can't say thank you enough. Your support means the world to me. Next goal is 5,000. Okay, so just so you know, that's the next one. So there are a ton of people who have really, really inspired me and helped me and supported me and just encouraged me. And to all of them especially, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I would be remiss if I didn't give a shout out to Corey Dahman from Creating with Scraps. If you don't subscribe to Corey, you should, but if you're watching this, you absolutely probably do subscribe to Corey. She gave a shout out to me earlier this week, and that her subscribers coming over to my channel pushed me over that 3,000K mark. So thank you, Corey, but most importantly, thank you to all of you. We did this, so exciting. Okay, enough of that. Not enough. I can never say thank you enough, but moving on. I've got the video where the comments, that's the comments that we're generating from, was a couple videos back when I was making these. Got that loaded in here, and I'm just going to, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to click pick a winner, and the first winner is Jola Pasco. Jola, congratulations. Jola, let me write your name down real quick. If you could send me an email, and I will put my email address in the description box below this video. Send me an email within the next 7 days, and I'll get your package ready to go. Congratulations. Okay, I'm gonna close this and click pick a winner again. All right, Myreade, Myreade, Myreade. And she was actually asking me about why I used wax on this. And so just to give you context, really, it just had to do with another layer. Just a fun, working with encaustics is sort of a fun new thing for me. And so it was just a way to add another layer to the layers that I did here. So thank you so much. And she said her favorite is spoons. So let me back up. And first of all, let me write down your name, and we will say spoons is yours. Okay, next one, last one, pick a winner. Click pick a winner. Jamie Sweet. Jamie, you are the third winner. She says just beautiful. Thank you so much, by the way. And Knobs was her favorite. So we will give Jamie Knobs. Let me write down your name here real quick, Jamie. Jamie Sweet is Knobs. Myreade, if I'm saying that correctly, if I'm not, I apologize, is spoons. And so Jola, you didn't pick a favorite, but number 6 goes to you. And hopefully that works for everyone. So the three of you if you could send me an email so that I can get your shipping address and get your package ready to go. Again, I'll put my email address down in the description box below. That's it, guys. Again, I cannot say thank you enough for your support. It means the world to me. Thank you. Bye-bye. And congratulations, winners. Bye.